We are very happy with the progress. The fill started on Thursday, and we hope to have the fill part of the remediation finished by the end of June.
At this point in time, they're currently filling at about 85 tonnes an hour. The conveyor system is capable of working up to about 150 tonnes an hour, but there's obviously variables around that as far as the material is concerned and the capacity for it not to plug the pipe. But ultimately we believe that we can increase the rate and still meet the time frames that we have.
So